Hello, my name is Suneha Sen and I have done this project as a part of my course offered in Chennai Mathematical Institute. This project is done using RShiny and Dashboard, and the topic of this project is movie analysis. The reason for choosing this topic is that the movie industry is one of the longest standing industries in the world, and movies play a significant role in all our lives. Beyond the movies lie a vast and intricate world of creativity, commerce and entertainment. My aim with this project is to delve into the hindsight of the movie industry to show the operations and working of this vast industry. Moving on to the dataset that I've chosen for this project, the dataset has been picked up from the internet and it encompasses a variety of factors that influence each movie like production houses, director, genre, budget, earnings, etc. I have done some analysis on this dataset. Let's go through them one by one. The first one is the movie releases. From the graph, it is clearly evident that Friday is the most preferred release date for movies since the earnings are higher in the weekends. After Friday, a significant number of movies from our dataset have also been released on a Wednesday. That is, a midweek release is preferred after Friday. Sunday is the least preferred date for release since it is generally followed by weekdays and gross earnings from weekdays are lower. The next chart is on the movie run times, and from this graph we can see that the mode of the distribution is approximately 120 minutes, which means that the most common run time for movies is around 120 minutes. This chart is showing the movie genres in the form of a pie chart, and from this pie chart we can see that the genre with the highest number of movies is action, followed by animation and comedy. The least popular categories are musical and mystery. This graph shows the IMDb rating versus profit, and from the trend line in the graph we can see that on an average IMDb rating increases with the increase in profit. The relation is not very strong, but considering all movies including the very high rated, highly profitable ones, the trend comes out positive. In this part I've shown a correlation matrix heat map. Red indicates a positive correlation and purple indicates a negative correlation. There is no such significantly high correlation between any of the variables shown in this correlation matrix heat map. In this part I've shown the top 10 movies based on their IMDb ratings. The top rated movie of all time is The Godfather. Here I've shown the overseas versus US earnings of the top 10 movies. From the above graph, we can see that the films like The Lord of the Rings, Return of the King, The Lord of the Rings, Fellowship of the Ring and Inception have performed remarkably better in the overseas market. The results that I've drawn is just a synopsis of the individual conclusions from each of the graphs that I've spoken about. Concluding my project, I've shown some of the analysis that can be performed on the data set. There is still a lot more that can be explored and that can be valuable to provide an insight into the industry's decision-making process. I would like to thank my professor, Mr. Shorish Das, for guiding me through this and helping me whenever required. And with this, we conclude this project.